Hi! In front of me is Honor 70, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Honor. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then click on Privacy section. After that, select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like location. Then click on one of your apps, in my case camera, and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the last one, so when I click on it and go back, as you can see, camera no longer has access to my device's location. But you can always go back, click on any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go into Phone in order to manage my contacts. Then click on See All Contacts Permissions instead, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!